Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a really quick and easy and very fancy invitation wallet. When we open it up, we've got our little invitation in here, as you can see. So let's get on and show you how to do it. So we're going to take a piece of card that measures 21 by 15 and we are going to score at 7 centimetres and 15.5. That will make our little outer wallet like that. So we are going to take a couple of corners, pre-cut these from the sheets just to make it easier. What we're going to do is we're just going to pop the rub on in the corner, press it down, take the stick and just rub over the top, and then just lift it up carefully just to check that it's all on there. And then quick little burnish on top, and then repeat in the other corner, burnish with the wooden stick, check that it's all neatly on there. Yeah, little burnish. Then we bring in the middle rub on. Again, we burnish with the wooden stick and it's off like that. We just use some tacky glue to attach this. Let's get a little bit of tape on here then, like that. And I'll snip that. Line that up so it's nice and neat. Bring this around the back, add a little bit of tape. And then bring this round and add a little bit of tape on there, here. And along here. I'm going to take another little piece of ribbon like this. I'm going to fold that down onto there like that to make us a little loop to pull it out. Our final rub on. So what we're going to do is we're going to do half on here and then half on there. I'm going to cut this one in half like this, and we're going to put half of it on this side here and rub that down. Piece will go on this side, just here. Press that down. And then we can just pop that in there, like so. And there we go. And there you have it. There's your little invitation wallet. And that means you can slide out your invitation with the little loop at the top.